How to turn on or turn off sleep mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down and tap on modes and routines. Then tap on sleep. At the top here, tap on the turn on or turn off button to turn on or turn off sleeping mode. When you turn on sleeping mode, a number of things happens, such as do not disturb turn on, and if you have any other actions in the list here, it will get executed. So here we got always on display will be switch off because you are sleeping. You don't need to have always on display to turn on, so it will automatically switch off. And to turn it off, you can go back into the same settings menu. So go into modes and routines and then tap on sleep, then tap on turn off. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.